All right, some important stuff before we get started here. Hopefully, it'll be good news to you. We're going to change a little bit on the whole repeat idea that you do. So what I'm trying to do with everybody, or at least most people, is instead of playing it twice at the end and then 3 times and then 4 times, just go straight into the 4 times, straight away. So after you max it out or you reach that time limit, start going for the 4 repetitions right there. I think if we do that, you'll have more energy and be less fatigued going into the next thing that you're working on. So I really want to give this a try. I think it's going to help people. So a little bit of different wording up here, not very much different, but down here, and I hope I remember to send this to you. Please let me know if I forget to attach these. Basically, yeah, it's going to say 4x, or 4 times at the end now, to remind you that's what we're going to do when we start adding in the repeats. So, here we go, 60 beats per minute, tapping that foot, counting out loud. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, done. 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, done. 180, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 240, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go back to 180 for the repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, number 2. Back down to 60. Whoops. Didn't select the metronome. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and done. 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and done. 180, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 240, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 180 for the repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, It's a good idea, at least once a day. Just run through them. That's all you got to do. Just run through them. So hold down the chord, arpeggiate the chord. So the C, D minor, E minor, and you probably should go up and down. C, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, and then on to the next key, G major, A minor, B minor, which is an A minor shape. So instead of holding the A minor like this, if we hold it like that, we can act like we're doing a bar behind the nut. And it's just a matter of sliding the entire shape up until you get to the B minor. So anywhere you play this shape on these 5 strings like this, you got yourself a minor chord. Same thing with that F. An F major is an E major shape. So if we start with the E major like this, just like that minor chord, we just bar back here behind the nut. When you move it up, there you go, the F major. So anywhere you play this on those 6 strings, you got yourself a major chord. All right, so we just played the B minor, so we got C again, D major, E minor, and the F sharp diminished. So first finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd finger on the 3rd fret. So just going from the lowest string to the highest. So E string, 2nd fret, 1st finger, A string, 3rd fret, 3rd finger, D string, pinky on the 4th fret, G string, middle finger, 2nd fret. And last we have the key of F. 1 second. There we go. So yeah, the F major again. G minor, which is just like taking the E minor and moving that up. So major, you just put your middle finger down. Minor, take it off. So anywhere you play that shape, you got yourself a minor chord. A minor, B flat major. See, I just lay my ring finger across those 3 strings. And that's another movable major chord shape. So anywhere you play that on those 4 strings, you got a major chord. C major again, D minor again, and E diminished. There we go. So when you're doing your chord theory stuff, so you're putting in those 3 notes that make all those chords, and just the major ones, just the major chords. We're going to leave the minor and diminished alone for right now. Remember, you're going to use your major scale. So just that shape that you learn. So you learn the C Ionian first. That's just the first 5 notes that you need of that shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it's an A chord that you're figuring out, you do the same shape starting on the A note. If it's a G chord, you use the same shape starting on the G note. If it's a D chord, you start again on D, same shape. If it's a B flat chord, you start B flat, same shape. If it's a G sharp, you start on a G sharp, same shape. Always the same shape to get those intervals, or get the right notes as well. And I think that covers it. All right, any questions, let me know. I will see you again next week.